So this is our stainless steel 47 quart Tamalera. Comes with a lifetime warranty. It has our beautiful Princess Heritage powder. This is going to be awesome for making different flavors of your tamales. And it does have the steamer on the bottom. Just a huge pot. And we also offer layaway that you can make payments on your item. They ship once it's paid in full. Okay, it's called our disco, right? This was the most popular item that Princess House has ever introduced. It is an outside only item. It's 23 inches across, 1810 stainless steel. It has the nice rack at the top, and we have sold over 1 million units of the blender. It has 3 different pre-programmed settings. One is for dips and spreads. One is for soup. The last one is for obviously your smoothies. And it does come with a tamper as well. The disc, I can give it to you for just 5 payments of $50 each. So this is for the disc and the Tamalera. You're going to make 8 payments of just $82 each. I also have a package with the disco and the blender. That one is also $82 times 8 payments. If you want the Tamalera and the blender, that is $98 times 8 payments. So 856-404-7420. You can call me or text me.